know about you boys, but geez, I've had a good day and I'm ready for a Bonox. You've been so well behaved today. Well, I'll never forget you were on the ponies, riding the ponies, and you had a hot dog with cheese and Matthew was chowing down on his donuts. Young Rizzo was chasing the piglets and you caught one, didn't you, mate? I was so proud. Why don't we start the car up, Matthew? You right to drive, sweetie? We'll head on home. You guys can run up to the bedroom and put your jammies on. And I'll whip up a batch of fresh Bonox and I'll grab a book. Then we'll hop into bed and we'll have a nice early night in. Won't that be nice, guys? It's going to be lovely. Hang on a minute. Who's that? Matthew, is he giving us a ticket? Matthew, get out and talk to him. Please don't ruin a good day, Matthew. Talk to him.
Excuse me, we need you to reverse the fine. I mean, we've just... Yeah, you see?
I'm sorry. It's already in the system.
No, we need you to reverse it, you see?
I can't, it's too late.
We've only been there for 5 minutes.
It's too late.
For 5 minutes.
You're in the system. You're in the system.
My boss is going to kill me. My boss is going to... There's nothing I can do, Wayne.
What did he say?
He can't reverse it. It's already in the system.
I'm fucking ropeable. But we must find a solution. Go back out there and speak closely to the man. Talk tight. I want you to talk tight with him. Make him see your point of view. And fucking get that reversed. Go now, Matthew. Make it happen, son. Don't ruin a good day. Don't hurt Slatz's feelings.
I'd like to do it on my own.
Talk to the man. Make a difference, Matthew. Youngie, make a difference, son.